Hi guys! In this video, I'm going to show you how to correctly install battens over the Solitex Extasana system. Pro Clima strongly recommends the use of vertical battens over the Solitex Extasana system. Installing vertical battens allow your water to drain out, because water will always get behind the cladding, and will also create a ventilation layer. We call this a drained and ventilated facade system. Also, wind stress sitting on the membrane will be evenly distributed over the whole width of the batten. This is how a durable insulation looks like, because the membrane is supported by the battens and not the staples. Where extended exposure to the elements is expected, or for additional security around your fasteners, use TESCON NAIDECK. These self-adhesive pads provide a long-term seal around screws and nails. The butyl on the fixing side of the patch deforms around the shaft of the screw, drawing it into the hole and forming a flexible, watertight seal. But wait, what if your cladding system requires horizontal timber battens? In this case, you just install vertical timber battens first, sealed with NAIDECK patches. Then fix the horizontal timber batten by screwing directly onto the vertical batten, ready to receive your cladding, and Bob's your uncle. Alright then, what about horizontal metal battens? Once again, install vertical timber battens first, then fix the horizontal metal batten by screwing directly onto the timber batten. Ensure that the screws are long enough to create a pressure seal between the batten and the membrane. Castellated or slotted battens are designed to reduce moisture risk by allowing some drainage and ventilation. These types of battens can be installed over the membrane by placing NAIDECK patches on each fixing point located at each stud. The patch will self-seal around the shaft to prevent water tracking through the fixing. For fixing brick ties or facade anchors, apply a NAIDECK patch directly over the intended fixing location. Then nail or screw through the center of the patch to install the tie or brackets. Attaching brick ties or brackets to vertical battens is the recommended technique, because this method does not require a patch at all. The TESCON NAIDECK is small but essential. It protects any penetration from leaking into the Solitex Extasana system.